Sean Higgins, editor for SPAR3D and the SPAR3D newsletter. I'm here at SPAR3D 2017 with Aviad from Trimble, the head of the mixed reality pilot program.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering, could you talk us through a little bit, like why Trimble as a company has a mixed reality pilot program and what it is exactly that you guys do?
Oh, certainly. So, in fact, it's not a pilot program anymore. It's a program which delivers commercial solutions.
Okay.
We do see mixed reality as a strategic technology for the company and for the customers we are serving. It's about integrating or merging together the digital content that they create with the physical environment, and by doing this they can get much better understanding about the design and the interaction between their design and the physical environment, whether it's for architecture, for construction management, or for mining projects.
So as I understand it, the program develops sort of the central core technology and then works with other parts of Trimble to develop the technology for specific verticals?
That's correct. The program is a horizontal program inside Trimble. We develop the common set of functionalities like collaboration, like visualizing 3D models, consuming point clouds, and on top of this we are working with the verticals to deliver more tuned solutions for the specific markets.
So I saw your presentation earlier, and you were talking about the 3 rules that you have for developing this technology. These are as I understand, the rules that are necessary to have a successful commercial technology. Can you maybe walk us through those?
Oh, certainly. So the 3 basic rules for us is first being hardware agnostic. It's about the ability to support any type of device in the market if there is a business justification for this. And today we can port our solutions to different devices based on the needs. And the reason for this is that you can find different personal preferences, wearable compared to tablets. You can find use cases which put more emphasis on safety or on performance or on daylight. And we want to make sure we can support our customers with this kind of diverse set of use cases. So that's the hardware agnostic approach. The second approach, kind of concept or rule, is about a one-click mixed reality. It's about going beyond the innovation group, going beyond the pilot environment, and actually support the product team or the project teams while they're working on their day-to-day tasks. And the third rule is about targeting what we call production caliber mixed reality, meaning support our customers with the actual work. It's not anymore about experiment. There is enough benefit in the technology to support real work, and we want to make sure that the architect can use it in his day-to-day work, that the construction team can use it for production, and not just for exploration and marketing kind of use cases.
So given you say the technology is pretty mature at this point, say I want to use this on a construction site, what are the remaining limitations? What do we still have to work out before the technology is usable in that way?
So for some specific use cases, you can already start using it today. For the scenario you mentioned, we do need to cope with prosaic kind of topics like safety. And this is something that is in the work. We do need to cope with large models, support them with the right workflows and best practices, and support them with technology which will allow us to stream those large models. And we do need to support as well a better alignment of digital and physical environments. Those, I think, are the challenges that are kind of exist today, and we are moving forward to solve them as well.
So it seems like a lot of these challenges will be solved by cutting-edge technology from other areas, right? Sensor technology, perhaps, with regards to alignment, things like that. Would you say that maybe you're waiting on a certain sort of hardware developments like that before the technology is mature? And if so, how far out would you say the technology is from perfection?
You know, it's tough to kind of define a timeline for this, but we do understand the value. We see the business value as well, and we are working with several organizations to kind of improve our capabilities. From one side with research institutes like the Cambridge University in the UK, from other side with vendors like Microsoft and Google, and from the other side with customers who are actually using the technology and provide us valuable feedback about what can be done.
So given that it's not a pilot program anymore, say I want to use the technology, how far out is the availability of, say, a Trimble mixed reality program?
Yeah, so some of the solutions in our portfolio are available commercially. For example, the SketchUp Viewer is an add-on on top of SketchUp which allows you to get the model from SketchUp, this one-click mixed reality approach, into mixed reality, into, for example, Microsoft HoloLens. Other solutions like the mining are available for our customers as well. We have the visual intelligence module as part of the Connected Mine product, which support mixed reality for our mining customers. And we have 2 additional tools, construction management using Trimble Connect, and the Trimble operations using our facility management environment, which are available for our pilot customers to use.
So it sounds like things are moving along pretty quickly already.
Very quickly. Exciting.
Wonderful. Thank you for taking the time to talk with me. I
Thank you very
appreciate
much.
it.